This is part 2 of a series of NeuroSolutions tip boxes where we will take the configured data file from part 1 and run it through the Express Builder in NeuroSolutions for Excel, which will allow us to easily tag, train, and test the data to get our initial results. First things first, let's go ahead and launch the Express Builder, which is located in the NeuroSolutions menu under Express, Build and Test Models. Next, for the problem type, we will need to select Classification. For the variables, we will need to select the input range, which is done by clicking on the button with the underscore and selecting the input columns by clicking and dragging. Next, select the same button for the desired output. We're going to choose column Z. And since our column Z is also text-based, we will also need to select it as symbolic data. For search complexity, we're going to choose intermediate. Under our Show Advanced options, we want to leave the default percentages for the training, cross-validation, and testing, but we do want to randomize the rows. By selecting intermediate, the Express Builder will run through 6 different neural network topologies and 2 additional variances of the multilayer perceptron topology. Finally, press OK to begin the Express Builder run. In effort to save time, we've jumped to the completed training and testing run to view the Express Builder report. The problem could take about an hour to train on a traditional processor. However, if you have a CUDA-enabled NVIDIA graphics card, you can reduce the amount of time down to 15 minutes or less depending on the power of your CUDA card. Looking at the summary of all networks, the generalized feed-forward performed the best on the out-of-sample training data with 97.71% correct. That is all for part 2 of the From Data to Model series. In part 3, we will begin working to optimize our model in NeuroSolutions, including retraining the generalized feed-forward network with weighting the outputs evenly, and then also attempting to reduce the number of inputs using one of our many techniques in NeuroSolutions. We'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this tip box,